New to RC. Want power but can't install? Lao Jiao's full tutorial. Outcast demo. Swap power system. No electronics. At ESC. Lao Gao chose Castle X8F. Lao Gao runs a TP motor with 2 fans. Castle ESC adds 1 motor. ESC. Steering servo. Add radio and 2 batteries. And it can run backward now. Mounting it. First grab a receiver. Fly Sky 4 Indian rupees. The transmitter is older and during install. After swapping receivers, align your ESC neutral midpoint. It's crucial. Second, don't just mount servo. Tighten screws. That's wrong. Before mounting, power servo to center, then fit horn. Tighten screw, keeping wheels centered properly. Track straight. Trim steering. Install ESC. Motor. Install pinion. Align with center diff spur. Then push motor fully in for complete mesh. Beginners. If gear gaps off, slip before paper in. Press tight. After tightening, prep the slider screw. Apply plenty of thread locker, coating screw, and hole secure screw. If mesh is off, just insert A4 paper. Tighten lightly, then snug. Push tight. Tighten top screw. Then turn gear. Eject before. Gear gap is just right, not loose or tight. Veterans skip before paper. Just feel and listen to gear play to judge pinion spur mesh clearance. Okay, tape the ESC's back, then mount it in the bay. ESC mounted. Route its receiver led into the receiver box. Voltage wire Lao Gao soldered. Put it in receiver box. Plug into receiver. After motor and ESC install. Sleeve antenna. Place receiver in box. Receiver pins here. Plus, minus. Plug servo into channel servo wires. Black negative. Outer colored signal. Plug into channel 1. Plug ESC into channel 2. Dark negative. Red positive. Colored match order. Plug ESC into receiver. 3, 4 remain. Plug in the car lights and fan. Lao Gao uses 3 channel. 2 leads, black and red. Plug black to negative. Ignore signal. Use channel 3. Last channel is the light wire. Plug negative, positive here. Red wire signals. Plug in order. Connect BVD voltage feedback to last channel. Okay, electronics are plugged into receiver. Now power car on. Adjust settings. Set steering trim. Center ESC neutral. Check forward throttle. Verify forward goes ahead. Back goes reverse. Set motor direction normal / reverse. Lao Gao brought 2 Lightning 7000 batteries. We'll field test runtime soon. Power up car. Tune data. Then adjust remote settings together. Okay. Power the remote. Then the car. Open settings. First check channel reverse. Check wheel direction. Turn left. Tires point right. Reverse channel. Set channel reverse to normal. Turn wheel again. Now left. Check the throttle. Lift car. Blip lightly. Confirm forward rotation. Never reverse. Reverse is slower. To tell direction, tap brake while on throttle full press stops the car. If it rolls backward when you brake after throttle, forward / reverse are swapped. Adjust. Swap motor 3-phase order or reverse ESC after setting motor reverse right. First reverse input brakes. Second goes reverse. Channel reverse. Set servo travel. Leave throttle. It reaches 120%. No need. 100%. Turn handwheel fully left. Turn to lock. See if the wheel follows. It's max, yet steering turns slightly. Holding lock too long makes the servo keep pushing and overheat. So lower the left throw. Set 90. Recheck. Wheel full lock. Steering matches. Right side, same too. Once state is set, also adjust Smart Vehicle Control on page 2. It's the gyroscope. As you sway left right now, our tires counter steering. Turning opposite, turn front left. Tire should steer right. Now it steers. Left, use Smart Vehicle Control. Set forward. Then test again. Nose left. Gyro corrects right. In Smart Control, adjust other data. Tap neutral calibration. Let receiver self-cap. Below are stabilization, normal, straight, accel, and drift modes. Lao Gao chooses normal stabilization. Set gyro sensitivity as needed, drift or straight cars. Set 35%. Keep throttle sensitivity, priority 0. Calibrate gyro. Beep means done. Motor and ESC order/settings already set for car. Finally, set ESC neutral. Each ESC uses Castle ESC neutral differs from Hobbywing. Throttle neutral is vital, set it before driving. 2 Lightning 7000 packs install. Let's dirt run. Test Outcast Punch.
He plays dirty. No big bro, only me. What can you do? The reason we can survive here is all about you. You're just a small triangle. Hey, not Karami, Shimasuki. Why? So, I don't know. Say it. You owe me answers. Uncle, no bro. Buy me snack.
Buy my foot. Be serious. I'm serious. Don't buy. You what? I'll cry right in front of you.
ESC failed. Stopped. Bad. Lao Gao explains ARMA setup approach. This rig plus Mojave. Crudden. Outcast. Lao Gao's checklist. 4 essentials: ESC, motor, servo, and 4 parts make the powertrain. Set motor gear. Mesh not tight/loose. Too tight overheats. Strips gear. Too loose. Mesh slips. After mounting the servo, remove the horn. Power on. Center it. Reinstall. Keep both front wheels straight. After landing, note slight left or right pull. Use remote steering trim to adjust servo left-right accuracy. Before driving, calibrate ESC neutral. Follow centering tutorial. Set throttle mid properly. This is vital. Keeps your car tracking straight. Planned Lightning 7000 battery test. Car issue. So battery isn't drained. Lao Gao tested 7000 mAh on ARMA 7/8 cars. Flips enough for top speed runs. 7000 battery lasts 30 to 40. Non-stop runtime is about 30 to 40 minutes. That's the ARMA setup. Questions? EM Lao Gao anytime. That's it. See you next time.